Okay, so we're doing the driver's side wishbone on the Mark for Mondeo. Going to start off, I've put some penetrant fluid on all the bolts around the back, on this one just here at the front, and also on this 22mm down here. So the top nuts are 21 socket. You can try and get in there with a spanner or a ratchet if you can, and the 80mm are underneath. Same with this one, it's an 18mm from underneath, and as I said, the 22 here. So they've all had a spray with penetrant fluid, so it's time to crack them off, and hopefully they'll come off. I'm going to use a breaker bar underneath to crack them off, and hopefully that'll work. So let's get this out and get the job done. We're going to slacken off the front 18mm just here, and then we're going to crack off the back 18 just here and here. I've got my breaker bar, the 18mm on it, and they have been sprayed up with some penetrant, so they should come off quite easy. Fingers crossed. Move the light. Give this a tug. I should be good to get a buzz gun on that because that's loose now. Let's do the back two here. So let's crack these two off. Same as before. Get a wrench on it. Break a bar. Yeah, these ones ain't actually too bad. Saying that one. Right, got this slackened off. So the next one is the 22mm at the front. So just here. And because my close end is broken, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it. You can't see, can you? Let me. Right, that's a better angle. So 22 up there. Get your whatever size spanner you're going to use. I'm going to use the 32 because it's the biggest one I've got, and then just and just keeping an eye, because this ball joint does tend to move in its socket, but I think that's actually undone. Let's have a look. So let's see if the ball joint is spinning. Nope. It always pays to put some penetrant on it and leave it for a while. And I'm not going to do it all the way. I'm going to leave it a little bit. So when I put the actual wishbone removal tool over it, and I put some pressure behind it, it's not going to just pop out and I'm going to smack my face somewhere where I don't want to be hitting. So everything's loosened up. Let's get the tool and try and crack this out. Okay, so we've got the wishbone tool in place, and let's see if it'll crack loose. You're watching ball joint here to move. Nope. Okay, so that ain't budging. Get a hammer and give it a wallop, and we'll try again. Right, I'm going to stop filming for a second, save the battery life, but I'm going to keep whacking this with the hammer, and once it breaks loose I'll bring you back. Okay, so I've got it cracked loose, as you can see. However, it's the way I had to do it. I sat across the bar, right, I straddled it basically here, like this, and I whacked it with the mallet where I was needed. So I was put under pressure. I don't know how much of that you can see on the camera. I'll insert a picture of actually exactly how I was doing it, because I've got my friend here, he's doing some bits as well, and he actually took a picture of me doing it. So yeah, but let's get this down now. Let's get everything loosened up, and we're on to a winner. I've got my safety goggles on, so all that's left to do now is get the bolts out at the back, and the two 21mm sockets with the 18 underneath, and then the one at the front. Use the wishbone tool and remove it. So let's crack on and get this done. Okay, so we're going to start by removing these back two. I've got a 21mm here on a small breaker. I'm going to come in from over the top like that, slot it on, get the 80mm on the buzz gun. You might want to cover your ears and come from underneath, and hold it here. One down, and then same on the back one. One's a bit more fiddlier, but we're in. God, them bolts seen better days. Crikey. And these bolts actually hold the bracket in for the stabilizer bar as well. So let's flip the camera and get the front bolt out now, around just here. So let's see if I can just adjust the camera a little bit. Might have to jack it up a bit to get the pressure off of it, but it's out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift up the wishbone, just so it takes the pressure off the rear bolt, like that. And then I'm going to stop filming a second. My friend's turned up and wants his brakes changed on the Nissan Note. If I haven't filmed it, which I probably will do. Okay, so after that quick break sorting out Liam's car, so there may be, like I say, a bonus video coming up on the Nissan Note again, but I'm going to get back to working on this one. So if you've not clicked off because of that, thank you, but yeah, let's crack on with this. So in the last clip you would have seen I jacked up the wishbone to drop the bolt out there. This one's loose. I've got the 22mm still to undo completely. Okay, that's out as you see. So I've pulled the suspension out of the way, and I want to come to the back end. I'm going to show you. So just pry it out now. I'll show you why it failed. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera. But that's why. Well, it didn't fail, it was an advisory, so hence why I'm doing them. But I've got the new one just here, and let's get it back in. So putting the new one in is exactly as bringing that one out. I'm going to see if I can get a better angle with the camera so it gives me the room I need to do this. So, do this up by hand, just nip it up. Right, I'll see the thread coming through the top. So I'm gonna try and get this in. This job has got me beat, I must admit that. It's quite difficult on the ground like this, but perseverance pays off usually. That's in. So let's get this 22 done up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the wishbone up with the plans of a level bracket at the back. I heard that, didn't it? Okay, so that little noise you heard as I was doing that was this bracket here popping underneath the rubber bush there with the sway bar. So I would recommend removing these if you can. I've noticed this one's busted, so I'm gonna have to replace it now by doing this. So you can't see, there you go. So that's going to get replaced, but I would recommend dropping this out of the way just so you can lift the sway bar up and out of the way so you can slide this piece in properly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my foot, get a pry bar, just lift it. Let's zoom out a bit. So get the pry bar, lift here, and as I'm doing that I'm going to push up with my foot on there and slide it in. So let me put the camera down and show you. So I'm going to use a trolley jack to lift this up here, this back mount, to level it off, so hopefully we can get the bolts in all the way and take some of the weight off of it. It only needs a smidgen, so we get the bolt and hopefully that let's try and do it up, hopefully that'll go straight through. You can see it just appearing just here, which is a good sign. Yeah, it's come through, so all good. Get your 21mm. just a couple of turns on it. Then do the back one. Hopefully that's leveled. Oh, look at that, straight in. Perfect. So I've got to try and hold the bolt up as I'm going to put the nut on top. Alright. There you are. And that's them nipped up. What I've got to do now is 18mm on the bottom, the 21s on the top. Try and get it on there. Okay, and then 18 underneath. You could probably get away with lowering the trail jack out of the way now. Can't even see if that's on there. Just like that. That one went in then. Let's do this back one. Check the front one again. And there we have it, guys, all done just as my phone's about to die. So pig of a job, it can be done at home, as you see. It's all back together now. It's taken me a while, and I've shot, as you've seen halfway through the video, I shot off and done another quick brake change on another video on another car. But I feel like I've gone on a bit long with this video. If you guys know anything, a better way of doing this, please drop a comment in the description, in the comments, sorry. And yeah, let us know, so, and it'll help other guys out as well. But as you can tell, I've covered, I've hurt my finger in the process. But yeah, job's done, so I've wrapped it on now. I'm gonna end the video here. You've seen it all back together, and thanks for watching. So leave a like, subscribe. As I say, subscribe, it's free to do so. And it's another job done. Bye for now.